Hi everyone, this is Miss Abdullah and I just want to give you a quick tour of our Canvas page, kind of get you familiar with how you're going to use it and what's available on there. So when you go into the Canvas page, you're going to see this welcome message from me. We're going to do a little bit of distance learning. We're going to have some Zoom time. We're going to have some in-class time. You're also going to have at-home test kits. So the biotech teachers are going to assemble these kits. It's expected that you're going to flow chart. It's expected you're going to do these labs, you're going to do your analysis, and you're going to submit them on Canvas for a grade. So be excited and prepared for that. So right over here is your navigation tool. If you go down to modules, the modules will show you what we're going to be doing this semester. So we're going to start off with an introduction to plants, and we have some fun assignments and labs related to that. Then we're going to move on into genetics. We're going to practice our mono and dihybrid crosses from biology. We're going to be growing some Wisconsin fast plants, and you're going to be collecting data every day, twice a day for a month. And then we're going to look at pollination. Who's responsible for pollination? What are the impacts when we're missing some key pollinators? And then we're going to have a discussion. And then we're going to move on to plant propagation. So most of us know that we can grow plants from seeds, but we're also going to look at different ways to propagate. So we're going to be cloning plants using 3 different methodologies. Just like any regular class, we have a syllabus. So if you click on syllabus, it'll bring you to a link. This link is a live link to a document. You're going to have to read over this. It has information about the grading policy. It is very slow to load. It tells you about academic honesty. It talks about all the safety guidelines. So since you all are in Biotech 3-4, this is at least the 3rd year of science you've had. So these are all the same rules that you're used to. And it's really, really important that you understand these safety rules. You sign this document, parent guardian signs this document and submits it on Canvas, because I need to make sure that you understand all of the lab safety rules if you're going to be doing labs at home, because I can't personally supervise you. Okay, so modules tells you where all the assignments are. Your syllabus is embedded here. Discussions, we're going to have one major discussion in this class, and it's all about birds and the bees, plants and the trees. And so here are the guidelines here. You need to make one meaningful contribution to the discussion, and then you need to comment on at least 2 other people's meaningful contributions, and those contributions should also be meaningful. Any contribution should not have more than 3 comments. So I want there to be an even distribution of comments, not just on the first people who have submitted. You'll find your grades here on your assignments. I may do an online quiz or 2. Oh, look at a safety quiz. And so I will give you the password. You can log in, take your quiz. And so that is just our basic intro to the course, and then you can go back to home and it brings you back to the information page. So again, the tools that you're going to be using most on here are modules. This kind of gives you the layout. Assignments, these are all the things that are going to be graded. And then discussions, which I will assign much later on. You can always email me at jabdilla@seq.org if you have any questions, or you can definitely pop into my Zoom office hours, and I will give you more information then. So I hope to hear from all of you soon, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.